In this figure, we need to solve for the area of this part here that is not shaded. Okay, so we are given a semicircle, the bigger semicircle, and inside it is inscribed a smaller semicircle and a medium semicircle. From this point to this point is 4 units. So we are required to find the area of this unshaded region. Now let us let the radius of the largest semicircle to be capital R, and let the radius of the smallest semicircle, this one, which is the smallest, let it be the radius, let it be R1, and for this one, the medium one, let its radius be R2. Let's call this point A, this B, let this be P, and here D. Now let's draw a line from point P to the line DB at a point O such that PO is a radius of the semicircle. So we are going to draw a line from point P to the center of this big semicircle. So we have drawn the line. This is the center O of the big semicircle, and this is the radius of the big semicircle. Now from this point to the center, let it be X. Okay? So therefore, R1, which is radius of this small circle, R1 will be equals to, since from here to O is radius of the big semicircle, so it will be radius of the big semicircle minus this X. Remember, this is diameter, so if you want radius, we shall divide by 2. So that is R1, which is the radius of the small semicircle. And R2 is equals to, so R2 is the radius of this medium semicircle, and we know that from this point to this point, that is from the center of the big semicircle to this point is the R. So R then plus X gives us the diameter of this medium circle. So if we want radius, we shall divide by 2. Remember, this is a straight line, so this is a right triangle. This is 90 degrees. Since this is 90 degrees, we can use the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so we have this PDO. This is X, this is 4, and this is radius, capital R. So using the Pythagorean theorem, A squared plus B squared is equals to C squared. A is 4 squared plus B is X squared is equals to C, which is R squared. So we make R squared the subject. R squared will be equals to 4 squared plus X squared. Let this be equation 1. Therefore, to find the unshaded area will be equals to area of big semicircle minus area of small semicircle minus area of medium semicircle. Okay, so the unshaded area will be equals to area of the big semicircle would be pi capital R squared over 2 minus area of small semicircle is pi R1 squared over 2 minus area of medium semicircle is pi R2 squared over 2. So as you can see, pi over 2 is common, so we factor it out. So we shall be left with r squared minus r1 squared minus r2 squared. So this is equals to pi over 2 into, now r squared minus r1, we got r1 as capital R minus x over 2. So all this is squared minus r2, we got r plus x over 2. So this is also squared. So this is equals to pi, okay, so this is pi over 2 into r squared minus, this here becomes r minus x into r minus x over 2 squared is 4, okay, minus, this becomes r plus x into r plus x, 2 squared is 4. So this is equals to pi over 2 into r squared minus 1 over 4. When you expand this, you get r squared minus rx minus rx plus x squared minus 1 over 4 into, when you expand this, you get r squared plus rx plus rx plus x squared, okay. So this is equals to pi over 2 into r squared minus 1 over 4 into, when you collect like terms, you get r squared plus x squared minus 2r x minus 1 over 4 into r squared plus x squared plus 2r x. So this is equals to pi over 2 into, here the LCM is 4, so it's over 4. 4 divided by, so this is the same as r squared over 1. So 4 divided by 1 is 4. 4 times r squared, we shall get 4r squared minus 4 by 4 is 1. So it remains r squared plus x squared minus 2rx, then minus r squared plus x squared plus 2rx. So this is equals to pi over 2 into, let's open brackets here, so we shall have 4r squared minus r squared minus x squared plus 2rx minus r squared minus x squared minus 2rx over 4. So here we have plus 2rx and minus 2rx, so they cancel. So we have pi over 2 into 4r squared minus r squared, that is 3r squared, minus r squared, that is 2r squared. So 2r squared minus x squared gives us minus 2x squared. This is over 4. Okay, so this is equals to pi over 2 into 2 over 4 into r squared minus x squared. So 2 cancels with 4, here we get a half. So this is equals to pi over 2 times 2 is 4 into r squared minus x squared. Remember, from equation 1, we got r squared to be 4 squared plus x squared. Okay, so r squared minus x squared will be equals to 4 squared. So here, that means r squared minus 4 minus x squared is 4 squared, and here we have r squared minus x squared. So we replace this with 4 squared, we substitute. So here in this equation, we shall have, which is for area, we shall have pi over 4 times 4 squared, okay, which is equals to pi over 4 times 4 squared is 16, which is equals to 16 pi over 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4, so we have 4 pi. Therefore, the area of the unshaded region, this one here, is equals to 4 pi square units. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. Like this video if you enjoyed it, comment your thoughts about it, and share this video with your friends and family. Let's meet in the next one.